To trade after hours in Webull, you need to understand the basics of extended hours trading. Extended hours trading refers to the ability to buy and sell securities outside of regular trading hours, which are typically between 9:30 a.m. and 4 p.m. Eastern Time. Webull offers extended hours trading from 4 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. and 4 p.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern Time. First, you need to have a Webull account and ensure that you have enabled extended hours trading. To do this, log into your Webull account and go to the Settings or Account section. Look for the Extended Hours Trading option and make sure it is enabled. Once you have enabled Extended Hours Trading, you can start trading during the extended hours sessions. To place a trade, navigate to the Trade section of the platform and select the stock or security you want to trade. Make sure to check the current market price and any relevant news or announcements that may affect the stock price. When placing an order, you need to specify the order type, which can be a market order, limit order, stop limit order, or other types of orders. For extended hours trading, it is recommended to use limit orders, as market orders may be filled at unfavorable prices due to lower liquidity. It is also important to be aware of the risks associated with extended hours trading, such as lower liquidity, wider bid-ask spreads, and higher volatility. These risks can result in larger losses if not managed properly. So it is essential to have a solid understanding of the markets and trading strategies before engaging in extended hours trading. To manage these risks, it is recommended to set stop-loss orders, which can help limit potential losses if the market moves against you. Additionally, it is essential to monitor your trades closely and be prepared to adjust your strategy as needed. In conclusion, trading after hours in Webull can be a great way to take advantage of market opportunities outside of regular trading hours. By understanding the basics of extended hours trading, enabling the feature in your Webull account, and using proper risk management strategies, you can successfully trade after hours and achieve your investment goals.